Yo, here we are back, burn right, and this segment I've been focusing a lot on MIG welding. A lot of you guys beginning or starting out with MIG, or even stick. A lot of you guys get to overthinking the overhead weld. But when it comes to MIG, it's not something to even think about, man. Here's your workpiece, put your nozzle in there, and let it fly. Watch your flame, shoot it out, flatten it out. I mean, and once you get that down, you'll even notice you can be like this. It's all about that. Keeping your nozzle, keeping your space, and just keeping your pace, man. I'll go ahead and give you a quick little sample. I mean, you see all of them around me. I mean, it's really not hard, guys. Like I said, you put her in there. I gotta climb up a little bit. Get in there, man. I'm watching my flame. See what I mean, man? You just watch that flame, man. Define space.